Hi, I have added a success message also here. Let's see. You see. So for this, needed to add these two URL in the header. Then after inserted the post, I started the session and make a session here called MSG. Then in the footer, I added a script. Then call if is set session, then toaster success the session message, and then unset the session. Okay, let's make some helper function for this session to work smoothly. In the helpers we can say set session. We can say set session. So to set a session we need two part. One is session name and another is session text. Let's say we will do like session like we will tell then success, then we will put here this, and it will work this way. So we will do that. Let's make it happen. Set session, and let say copy this. So in here we are taking two variable. One is we can say key and another is text. So key will be go inside here and text will be go here. So if everything goes well, then it will work. Let's also change the footer. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. Okay, let's make another helper function called session start like this. Start session, and we will put these two part there. We just need to cut it from here and put inside here. And let's say to get the session we will just call a helper function called get session, and we will pass here a name, session name, like name. Okay, so we can copy this and we can paste it here. And let's make another function called unset session. we have to make like unset and name. Okay, let's change it here and see if it's working or not. We will pass this part here, and other is get session. We can say let's see if it's working or not. Okay, we didn't get the message. Why? Get session success. Okay, let's go to the set session. We set the session success, and get session name, session success. Let's check to return it here. Yeah, we are getting the session. Okay, let's show our data in here. So in the post controller we have stored, but this is our post. Let's see our routes, and this is our post in the all post. Dashboard controller, no, we will change it. We can pass it here. Then we can say index in the post controller, and method is get, and it will show the index. Okay, let's go to the post controller and make copy this function. I think let's see if it's working or not. Okay, what is it? Let's see. We have to posts, sorry, not this one, posts. Okay, it's working. Now we have to show our posts like this. Posts. So to get this post we have to query from the database. So let's copy this line, and we are sending to all posts to the post model to get all the post, and we can say post equal this post, and let's create a method in the post model, public function post, and we can make a query like select all from table. We can send the table name from there, What is our table name? Posts. Okay, then we can copy this and we can say we don't need these parts. We query it, we connect and prepare the query, then we have to execute, then we have to statement to say fetch all PDO fetch let's fetch the object and let's return it. So let's see if we get the data or not. If we do dd here, yeah, we get the data. Okay, let's move on. So in the posts view we will get this variable there. Let's go to the post view, and what is the starting point? The starting point is, let's see, this tier. So our starting point is one tier, this one. So we can say PHP for each post as post, then we can say in for each, and we can say this is the what is the title, where is the title, this is the title. We can say post title. Let's see if we get the title or not. Undefined variable post, line number 30. Okay, let's see posts. Let's see what's the problem. Let's dd again. We have the data, and in the posts view, posts, we send. Okay, the problem is we have to make the helpers function little bit update. Okay, we have to say if data not equal null, then extract the data. So this extract function will do like title, this is title, it will say this way, So now it's working, you see. And then it will be maybe Slack, no status, and so on. We can put it Slack.